Good morning, friends. It's a beautiful Saturday morning and I've got some work to do. I've got to cut down a tree. I've got that big white oak tree standing there. Let me tell you something, guys. If you're gonna put a pool in, don't put your pool near the woods or trees. I've had this pool for 12 years or so and it's always a struggle. Wind, rain, storms, always blowing crap in the pool. There's always leaves, there's always debris. That's reason number one for these trees coming down. Number two, about 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock in the afternoon, I get a lot of shade cast on the pool. Might sound like a silly reason to take down a tree, but there's another reason. My wife and I are building an addition on the house, and that white oak is gonna make a nice dining room table, along with keep the house warm for a while. So I'm gonna climb up this tree. You're gonna come with me. I don't know how far we'll get. There's some branches I'm not sure about, like this one coming up here. I don't know if I can just drop that and clear the pool. I'm gonna see how this wood hinges, see if I could peel it, swing it around. Don't know if I'll finish the tree. Again, this is only my second tree. I'm gaining some confidence, gaining some skill, but I'm gonna take it slow and see if we can get this thing down. All right, let's get after it. All right, guys, another lesson I just learned. Throw bag got stuck way up in the tree. I happened to hit the point I wanted, and I was trying to ease it down, and it got hung up in a little crotch or something. So, note to self, have a spare throw bag and throw line. So now I'm just gonna climb with the flip line and try to tie in, throw my rope and tie in and climb as I go, or tie off as I go. That is a big branch, guys. I know most tree guys will say climb high, cut small. And that's great, I agree. However, I'm not at a point yet where I feel like walking out there. Although, I guess I could try. I don't see the harm being that I'm in the middle of the woods. Yeah, there's some small stuff that might hang this thing up, but just sending that thing. Looks like there's a little clearing right there. This thing's kind of weighted that way. It might want to roll, crash on top of that little maple, whatever that is. But I'm willing to give it a try. Again, I guess most arborists would probably climb out there and cut that halfway. I'm just not there yet. One day maybe, but I don't think today's the day. get myself comfortable, notch it, drop it. What do you think? Oh man, why is that thing stuck? What a bummer. All right, let's give this one a go, guys. Well, it's a good thing. That worked exactly how I wanted it. If only this stupid throw line wouldn't keep jamming me up. Man. All right. This one, this is a big mother. I got that thing to contend with, so I wonder if I can notch it and try to roll it that way. I guess if I had a big saw, like a 200T or something with some power, I could maybe spear it so it drops straight. That freaks me out a bit because then the top might hit that and potentially fall back at me. So I think I'm gonna notch it kind of this side and back cut this way. See if I can't get that thing out this way, and then it's a clear drop. I think I should get rid of this one first, climb a little higher. Well, YouTube, that worked out. A little collateral damage right there, but it's right what I wanted it to do. I'm happy with that. Let's see. All right, that's not so good. I've got more holding wood on this side, which is gonna want that thing to pull that way. I should have cut back this way more and left more wood here. So it'd want to hold on here longer and pull it away. But it worked. Guys, that one was a little nerve-wracking for me. Alright YouTube, we're back up in the tree. Day 2. I bailed out the last day because of this branch. I wasn't comfortable dropping it by myself, so I got Paul here today down there. He's gonna pull on the rope as I cut it and pull this branch in this way and then drop right down there to avoid the pool. So that's the plan. So let's get after it. All right, I'm notched. Okay. So I'm gonna start coming in from the back. Just keep pressure on it. All right. Just double check my gear. This is a really nice straight stick, and I'm gonna have it cut up into maybe 2 sections and have it milled. Hopefully one day this will end up being my dining room table. So I'm gonna land it right there, try to let it bounce off this other big log. Hopefully I don't hit that big gnarly rock and take a big chunk out, but let's see what happens. Look at how nice that stem is, guys. Nice and straight. That's gonna make some nice lumber. Look how old this tree is. Look how tight those growth rings are. Well guys, as always, I really appreciate you watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't already, hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Later.